Hi guys, I'm Karthikesh. In this video, we're going to know some details about this ESP32 Cam module. Why ESP32 Cam module? Because instead of using Node MCU and any other camera modules in your project, you can use this ESP32 Cam. It has a inbuilt Wi-Fi microcontroller and also a Bluetooth microcontroller, which was designed by AI Tinker, and it have a small tiny camera which can able to capture any image and any video in your SD card slot also here. So in this video we are going to know more about this ESP32 Cam module, so watch till the end. First we are going to see that camera in ESP32 Cam module, and this camera name is module OV2640, and it had a TF card holder which can hold your SD card or any memory card to store the captured image or any video from this module. And it also have a voltage regulator and PS RAM, built-in 520 KB SRAM RAM and external 4 MP SRAM, and it has a voltage regulator which regulates the voltage from its input. The main feature of this module is it had a inbuilt antenna which can transfer Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connections, and it also had a reset pin. It is mainly used to restart the module and to connect the ESP32 Cam with any other Arduino or any other devices. It has a tantalum capacitor. It helps to low leakage current and have a high capacity, and it's also a long-term stability to this module. And this is the microcontroller which is used as a brain of this module. It is AI Thinker ESP32 SIC, and it have a inbuilt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The smallest 802 and 11B G and N Wi-Fi ability SOC module. Low power 32-bit CPU can also serve the application processor, and to clock speed up to 120 MHz. I think it's more useful module. It had a GPIO pins, which is both general input and output pins, and it had a VCR, which is GPIO number 1 pin, which is used as a transmitter, and GPIO3 is used as a resistor, and another more pins are used for data to data click and more commands like commands data 0 and flash memories and mclick and U2 or XG. And there are more pins in this module to use for our project. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to Karthikesh Robotics.